Hi everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my channel. Today I will share to you how to make Dalgona coffee. You prepare the bowl and the whisk. Two tablespoons of black coffee. 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, half glass of milk, and ice cubes. So let us start. Put the coffee, sugar, water, and combine by using the whisk. You whisk in vigorous manner. It takes me for 15 minutes until I achieve the whipped coffee. As you can see here, the coffee becomes foamy. This is how your coffee looks after 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, continue on whisking. "12 minutes, This is the result of whisking after 15 minutes. And you have now your whipped coffee. And now let's prepare the Dalgona coffee. In a half glass of milk, you put some ice cubes. And now you put the whipped coffee. And this is my Dalgona Coffee. Enjoy! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.